Good day, everyone. I'm Edna G. Panergaling, and today I will present my innovation project entitled EcoStart Food Waste Compost Starter Kit. EcoStart is a beginner-friendly household composting kit designed to help student, family, apartment residents, dormitory residents, beginner gardener, schools, and barangays manage food waste in a simple and practical way. This product is not just a compost bin. It is a complete starter system that includes a ventilated compost bin, carbon filter lid, removable tray, starting mix, brown material sachet, measuring scoop, aeration wand, compostable liner, moisture guide, and simple instruction card. Food waste is a serious household and environment problem. Many biodegradable materials such as vegetable peel, fruit scraps, coffee grounds, tea leaves, and eggshell are often thrown away together with the ordinary garbage. In many households, people know that food waste should be separated, but they do not know how to start composting. Some think composting is difficult, messy, smelly, or only possible for people who have large gardens. This creates a need for simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly composting solution. EcoStart is the answer for this need by helping others to start a small space at homes, apartments, dormitories, balconies, laundry areas, and school garden station. My approach is to create a guided compost starter kit that makes composting easier for beginners. EcoStart helps users follow the correct process by combining food scrap, dry brown materials, air, and moisture properly. The user places acceptable food scrap into the bin, such as fruit peels, vegetable peels, coffee grounds, tea leaves, and eggshell. Then, for every scoop of food scrap, the user adds 1 scoop of brown materials from the starter mix or refill pack. The ventilated bin allows air to enter, and aeration wand helps user mix the materials without touching the waste directly. The carbon filter lid helps control odor, while the removable tray collects excess liquid. The moisture guide teaches users how to check if the compost is too wet or too dry. This approach makes composting less confusing because the tools, materials, and instruction are already included in one kit. EcoStart has several benefits. First, it helps reduce food waste by turning small amount of biodegradable waste into compost instead of sending it to the landfills. Second, it supports proper waste segregation at home, in school, and in community. Users can learn how to separate biodegradable materials and manage them responsibly. Third, EcoStart has educational value. Students can use it to observe decomposition, understand the role of microorganisms, and connect science lessons with real-life environmental practices. Fourth, the product is beginner-friendly. The scoop, starter mix, moisture guide, and instruction card helps prevent common composting problems such as bad odor, excess moisture, insects, and confusion about the materials to use. Lastly, the EcoStart is affordable. The projected basic starter kit price is around $350 to $500, making it practical for students and families, schools, and barangays environmental programs. EcoStart can be compared with traditional compost bin and bokashi starter kits. Traditional compost bins are useful, but they usually need outdoor spaces, gardens area, dry leaves, and regular turning. They may also smell if not managed properly. This can be discouraged for beginners, especially those who living in apartments and dormitories. Bokashi starter kits are compact and can reduce odor when sealed, but they often require brand or refill materials. They can also need a second composting stage, which can be confusing or costly for some users. EcoStart is different because it is designed specially for beginners. It combines a small ventilated bin, odor control lid, starter materials, measuring scoop, aeration wand, moisture guide, and simple manual in one affordable kit. Its main advantage is guidance. Instead of giving user only a container, EcoStart teaches them how to compost correctly step by step. What makes EcoStart innovative is that it's turned composting into a guided starter system. It does not only focus on storing food waste, it helps users understand the correct balance of food scrap, brown materials, air, and moisture. The product is similar to existing compost bin because it also turns organic waste into compost. However, it is different because it includes beginner tools, visual instruction, odor control feature, and simple measuring system. This makes ecosystem useful not only as a household product, but also as an educational tools for schools, barangays, community, and or environmental programs. So, in my conclusion, EcoStart Food Waste Compost Starter Kit is practical, affordable, and eco-friendly innovation. Through the NABC method, I presented the needs for a beginner-friendly composting solution. My approach using a guided starter kit, the benefits of household, students, and environment, and its advantage compared with the traditional bins and Bokashi starter kit, EcoStart proves that small household action can help reduce waste, improve segregation, and support environmental responsibility. Thank you again for listening. This is Edna G. Panergaling from BSIT.